Before attempting to unclog a toilet without a plunger, shut off the water supply and prepare the area to prevent overflow and mess. Start by turning the toilet water supply valve clockwise until it stops so the tank will not refill during attempts to clear the clog. Next, place old towels or absorbent rags around the toilet base and on the floor behind the bowl to catch any spills, and lay down a plastic sheet if available to protect flooring. Put on gloves that are at least single-use, and consider eye protection if you expect splashing. Also have a disinfectant spray, paper towels, and a bucket within reach to clean up quickly. Avoid repeatedly flushing to prevent overflow. Instead, use a small container to bail out excess water from the bowl if it is near the rim. Then inspect the visible trap area with a flashlight for any localized obstruction you can safely remove by hand. If you plan to use a homemade tool like a wire hanger, straighten it with a small hook at the end and wrap that end with cloth to reduce porcelain scratches. Then gently probe without forcing to avoid damaging the bowl or pushing the clog farther into the drain. For chemical or enzyme products, read the label for compatibility with older pipes and wait the full recommended time before flushing. Never mix different chemicals because that can create dangerous fumes or reactions. Common mistakes include leaving the supply valve on and causing an overflow, so always confirm it is turned off and use a bucket to remove excess water before working. Another frequent issue is using excessive force with improvised tools which can scratch or crack the porcelain, so wrap metal tools and use slow, controlled motions or choose a flexible snake designed for toilets. People also often pour multiple chemical products or hot boiling water into a bowl, which can damage seals and pipes, so stick to one approved method at a time, and if using heat, use only warm water and do so slowly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources relevant to home plumbing and maintenance, and our discussion community lets members share experiences and tips about safe do-it-yourself practices. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility and a place to engage with potential clients and fellow professionals.